Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden phone holders craft ideas for creating woodworking as income generator. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating wooden phone holders presents a unique opportunity for woodworkers to generate income while engaging in a craft that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. The rise of smartphones has led to an increasing demand for accessories that enhance convenience and organization in our daily lives, making wooden phone holders a lucrative venture for artisans seeking to tap into this market. One appealing aspect of crafting wooden phone holders is the versatility of design. Artisans can explore various styles, shapes, and functionalities, allowing them to cater to a diverse audience. For instance, a minimalist design that features clean lines and a sleek profile can attract consumers who favor modern aesthetics, while a rustic, handcrafted appearance can appeal to those who appreciate the charm of natural materials. By incorporating different wood species, such as oak, walnut, or cherry, woodworkers can create visually striking pieces that highlight the unique grain patterns and colors of each type of wood, further enhancing the product's marketability. In addition to aesthetic considerations, functionality plays a crucial role in the design of wooden phone holders. Artisans can create holders that accommodate various phone sizes and styles, ensuring that their products appeal to a broad customer base. Adjustable designs that allow for different viewing angles can enhance the user experience, making the holders more attractive to potential buyers. Furthermore, incorporating additional features, such as cable management systems or built-in charging docks, can add value to the product, setting it apart from more generic options available on the market. By thoughtfully considering the needs of consumers, woodworkers can create phone holders that not only serve their primary purpose, but also offer added convenience and functionality, increasing their appeal. Creating a diverse product line can also contribute to the financial success of a woodworking business focused on phone holders. By exploring different types of holders, such as desk stands, car mounts, or wall-mounted options, artisans can cater to various consumer needs and preferences. This product diversification not only attracts a wider audience, but also encourages repeat purchases, as customers may seek out multiple types of holders for different contexts. For example, a customer may buy a desk stand for their home office and later return for a car mount for their vehicle, creating a cycle of ongoing sales and engagement. By continuously innovating and responding to customer feedback, woodworkers can stay ahead of trends and maintain a competitive edge in the market. The process of crafting wooden phone holders can also serve as a platform for community engagement and collaboration. Offering workshops or classes where individuals can learn to create their own phone holders can foster a sense of connection and belonging within the local community. This not only showcases the artisan's skills, but also creates a space for others to appreciate the craftsmanship involved in woodworking. Participants in these workshops may become advocates for the artisan's work, spreading the word and generating interest in purchasing finished products. Furthermore, collaborating with local schools or community centers to introduce woodworking as a skill can inspire the next generation of artisans, creating a sustainable cycle of craftsmanship and appreciation for handmade goods. As the popularity of wooden phone holders continues to grow, artisans can also explore online courses or tutorials to reach a global audience. By teaching others how to create their own phone holders, woodworkers can generate additional income while sharing their passion for woodworking. This approach not only provides a source of revenue, but also helps to establish the artisan as an authority in the field, enhancing their reputation and credibility within the woodworking community. The combination of product sales and educational content can create a diversified income stream that supports the artisan's business growth and fosters a sense of fulfillment in sharing skills with others. Sustainability is a crucial aspect to consider when crafting wooden phone holders, as consumers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact. By sourcing wood from sustainable suppliers or utilizing reclaimed materials, artisans can create products that resonate with eco-conscious buyers. Highlighting these sustainable practices in marketing efforts can further enhance the appeal of wooden phone holders, as consumers are more likely to support businesses that prioritize environmental responsibility. Additionally, crafting phone holders that are designed to be durable and long-lasting aligns with the growing movement towards reducing waste and promoting a circular economy. Moreover, the integration of technology in woodworking can pave the way for innovative wooden phone holder designs. Artisans can explore the creation of holders that incorporate wireless charging capabilities or smart features that enhance user experience. By merging traditional woodworking skills with modern technology, woodworkers can tap into the tech-savvy market, expanding their reach and attracting a new demographic of customers. This innovative approach can position artisans as leaders in the woodworking community, showcasing their ability to adapt to changing consumer needs and preferences. Crafting wooden phone holders offers a wealth of opportunities for woodworkers to generate income while engaging in a fulfilling and creative endeavor. By focusing on versatile designs, functionality, and aesthetics, artisans can create products that resonate with a diverse audience. Marketing strategies that leverage social media and online platforms can amplify reach, while customization options and product diversification can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Community engagement through workshops and educational content can foster connections and inspire future artisans, creating a sustainable cycle of craftsmanship. By prioritizing sustainability and integrating technology into their designs, woodworkers can not only meet the demands of modern consumers, but also establish themselves as innovative leaders in the woodworking field. Ultimately, the journey of creating wooden phone holders is not just about generating income. It is about celebrating the artistry of woodworking, connecting with others, and contributing to a more sustainable and appreciative world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden phone holders craft ideas for creating woodworking as income generator. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Marketing plays a vital role in turning wooden phone holders into a successful income generator. By leveraging social media platforms, artisans can showcase their creations through high-quality images and engaging content that highlights the craftsmanship involved in each piece. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of the woodworking process can help potential customers connect with the artisan on a personal level, fostering trust and appreciation for the skill involved. Additionally, utilizing platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or local craft fairs can provide exposure to a wider audience, allowing woodworkers to reach customers who value handmade, unique products. By emphasizing the sustainability of their materials and the artisanal quality of their work, woodworkers can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers who are increasingly seeking out eco-friendly alternatives to mass-produced items. To further enhance the income potential, artisans can consider offering customization options for their wooden phone holders. Personalized engravings or unique designs can create a sense of ownership and individuality, encouraging customers to invest in a product that reflects their personal style. This approach not only adds a premium aspect to the product, but also fosters customer loyalty, as individuals are more likely to return for additional purchases when they have had a positive experience with a personalized item. Additionally, collaborating with local businesses such as gift shops or tech stores to offer co-branded or exclusive designs can expand the reach of wooden phone holders, tapping into new customer bases and driving sales. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return.